Alright, guys. So at this point, Chance is getting kind of tired. And one of them just peed on a puppy pad, so I gotta change that really quickly. So he's on the couch on his bed as I try to open this. So yeah, he's on the couch. I'm sorry for the bad lighting, but I can't do anything about it. Okay, I kind of fixed the lighting. I'm using her playroom light, my cousin's. So, anyway, so Remy is right here laying. Stop trying to eat yourself, ding dong. And Chance is going to tired. Anyway, I'm sorry. But right now I'm kind of like watching her while watching the puppies, which isn't a bad job, because she is actually really easy, should I say, really easy to take care of. I love taking care of these puppies. They can get a little ding dong in the head, but you can't. Oh, the kisses. Oh, the kisses. Thank you. Thank you. I think I'm going to end it here. They're going to bed. Well, he is at least, I think. I'm not sure what he's doing. Usually they play, eat, sleep, nap, snack, eat. And that's basically, oh yeah, and they go outside too. And that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, part 2. Bye, guys.